Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Curve 27-inch monitor that I bought from Costco. It was about I think total of $190. The good thing about buying monitors in Costco is you can always return them. So this is not monitors. So recently what I found was, monitors, they don't fall under the 90-day return policy. So you can always, if you have any Costco monitors bought from Costco, you can go, if it's not damaged, then you can go back and return it. So I did that recently in one of my monitors, so it worked, and they gave me full refund. So just wanted to share that. So let's go ahead and open this box now. So here's the monitor, as you can see. It's white in color. Okay, here we go. This is the charger. Sorry, the HDMI port. And then the charger is right here. So now I'm going to assemble the base and then the stand that it came with. So what it do is, this one already comes with a screw, the back, as you can see here. So you just have to put this piece and then over here like that. Okay. Or maybe be careful. Just kind of slide it so it fits in like that. And then you just screw it very tightly. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. And it just goes in perfectly fine. Okay, just hurt that clip. So that is all you need to do. And I'm going to connect the HDMI and the adapter, and it's going to work fine. So I have the monitor up and it looks okay. I think I don't like the finishing, and also I don't like the quality much, as I have an HP here, which is a lot better than the Samsung. And of course this one's expensive than this one too. So I'm thinking I might exchange this and then get another one of these. Yep. So anyway, I would like to thank you all for watching this video up until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.